Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable pop-up notifications specifically for story reminders on Snapchat. This updated method ensures you never miss when a friend posts a new story. Just follow these simple steps. First, unlock your phone and head to your phone's main settings app. This is where you can control app notifications in detail. Once you're in settings, scroll down and find the option labeled Apps or Applications, then tap on it. Next, from the list of installed apps, locate and tap on Snapchat. This will take you to Snapchat's app-specific settings, where you can adjust notifications and other preferences. Now, tap on Notifications. Here you will see all the notification settings related to Snapchat. The goal is to enable pop-up alerts specifically for story reminders. In the Notifications section, look for an option called Notification Categories or Advanced Settings. Tap on it to access different types of notifications that Snapchat can send. Under the Friends category, find and tap on Story Reminders. This is the notification channel that controls alerts about your friends' Snapchat stories. Finally, make sure to toggle on the switch labeled Show as Pop-up. This means whenever you get a story reminder, it will appear as a pop-up notification on your screen, even if you're using another app or your phone is locked. That's it. Now you'll receive story reminder notifications as pop-ups, keeping you instantly updated when your friends add new stories on Snapchat. If you ever want to customize further, you can return to these settings and adjust other notification types or turn off pop-ups anytime. This simple setup makes sure you stay connected with your Snapchat circle without missing a beat.